Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting both devices ready. Power on your headset and make sure it has at least 20% charge so the call won't drop. On your phone, open Settings and switch Bluetooth on. Once visible, place the headset in pairing mode, often a long press on the power button. Once done, watch for the headset name under Available Devices and tap to pair. This establishes the audio link so your call will route through the headset rather than the phone speaker. After pairing, you must confirm the headset is the active audio device. Tap the Bluetooth device name in Settings and select Audio Call and Media Profiles. Then open your call app and before joining, check the call's audio routing. Choose the headset from the In-Call audio menu if needed. Make sure the microphone is pointed toward your mouth and set volume to a comfortable level. This prevents clipping or low volume during the call. Once set, join the meeting and join or answer the call and immediately verify two things. You hear participants clearly and they can hear you. If audio fails, first mute and unmute. If that does not help, disconnect and repair the headset or toggle Bluetooth off and on. As a stronger step, restart your phone or headset. This clears temporary audio conflicts. Keep the headset mic unobstructed and remember to use mute when not speaking to reduce background noise. This saves time and keeps communication clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.